Hello friends, it is Running Kimono, and even before we dive into the Walgreens matchup for the week of the 3rd to the 9th, we're going to talk really quickly about my favorite app of all time, which is the Fetch Rewards app. I bought some paper towel over at Walgreens and toilet paper, and I got back 75 points last week. How awesome is that? When you download the app, use my referral code and photograph your first receipt. It could be anything, an Egg McMuffin that you bought yesterday or a pack of gum that you got last week. You're going to be given 2,000 points, which is the equivalent of $2. How great is that? If you're an extreme couponer, you're probably sitting on a mountain of receipts. If you photograph a bunch of them today, you can get yourself a Dunkin' Donuts or Starbucks gift card. So this is for new signups only, that referral bonus. It is really fantastic. If you are interested in signing up, please check out the link in the notes, and don't forget to use my referral code. We're going to talk about Walgreens preview week of the 3rd to the 9th. It took me a second there. We're going to be talking about the matchups, but like the Christmas clearance, a lot of you were like, what's going on with the dates? So if you look at this little signage, it says this sale is going on until the 6th, which is a Wednesday of that week. Now, my thoughts here, and only because I've been doing this forever, I think on Thursday, January the 7th, it's going to hit 80% or 75%. I'm thinking 80, and that will be it. So when you're in the store on Sunday the 3rd, if you wouldn't mind asking like a cashier, if there's somebody friendly in the store, say, hey, when's the next markdown for this stuff and what is it going to be? If you can get that intel and let me know, like, if you're in Wisconsin or California or whatever, if we could just try a little bit of information together to figure out, when items are going to go on the cheap. But my educated guess is Thursday the 7th, it's going to hit 80%. And after that, I think they'll probably do like last year, box it up and then send it off to an auction site and sell it to people who bid on, big store clearance. And I can make a video on that because I have been noticing, because I do follow a lot of people that do retail arbitrage on the next level. It's something I really find fascinating. And they have been buying boxes of nothing but Dollar General pennies or Walgreens clearance. If you guys want me to make a video about that, I think this is precisely why we're not seeing anything past 80% for some stores, because everything's getting boxed up and sold to these warehouses where it's getting auctioned off. So if you want a video on that, let me know. Maybe thumbs up this video and I will make one in the future on that subject matter. So on a desktop computer, I went and checked my digital coupons folder of my Walgreens account, and I found a bunch of different boosters. I found a do 8 trips, get back $5 of Walgreens cash. I found this one, which you have to pay cash for the balance for this one. This other one, a 10 off of 30, you can use Walgreens cash to pay for the balance. But most of this stuff lines up with next week. As you can see, this guy ends on the 6th. Thus, I think with Christmas clearance, they don't want those two to coincide. Ha ha ha. A little bit of detective work there. But definitely go check your digital coupons folder if you have a laptop, desktop. Look that way because that's where I have been finding these. Good luck with that, guys. Not every account gets these boosters. Okay, so looking at the cover here, and again, this is from the 3rd to the 9th, so these deals do not start until that window. So this is the 2nd week of January, I believe, in the old Walgreens calendar. And as you can see, vitamins are BOGO free or BOGO 50% off. The first deal that's a freebie is with the Crest toothpaste. It's $3, $4 register reward when you buy 3. Now, from the January P&G, you will need 2 of these guys, and they are good for that week, plus this digital coupon. So looking at it, guys, grabbing 3 Crest toothpaste for $9 on the nose, present 2 $2 coupons from the January P&G, taking off $4 right there, plus 1 $2 digital. So you're left with paying 3 out of pocket, getting back a $4 register reward, making this free, plus a $1 moneymaker. And if you wish to use your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, you can absolutely do it for this scenario. Okay, so the next deal that we have is with the Colgate toothpaste, $3.99. There's going to be a $1 coupon in this weekend Smart Source, $5 register reward when you buy 2 of these. So grabbing 2 of those Colgates at $3.99 a pop, that's $7.98. Subtracting $2 coupons from the Smart Source of January the 3rd, $2 off right there. You're left with paying $5.98 out of pocket, getting back your $5 register reward, making it 98 cents for the 2. And if you wish to use your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, you can absolutely do it in this scenario. Okay, this next little one, we're going to try and use this booster, so we have to pay cash for the balance because it is a spend, and this is of a one-time use, just to note that. And the window is from the 3rd to the 9th, if you might have been so lucky to get this booster. Let's get the last 2 deals and then throw in a toilet paper for $4.99. These, either the Viva or the Cottonelle is usually like, 2 for $16 or $9.99 for one. It's pretty expensive. So looking at the math for this little bundle, grabbing 3 crests for $9, 2 colgates for $5.98, 1 Cottonelle for $4.99, and then 1 caramel for 33 cents. Don't forget your caramel. The total is $20.30. Make sure that you have that booster loaded, along with $9 of digital and paper manufacturer coupons, subtracting right there. You're left with paying $12.30 out of pocket, cash, credit card, debit card, whatever you have. You're getting back $9 in register rewards and $5 of Walgreens cash, making this free plus a $1.70 money maker. Remember to pay cash for the balance, and this is a deal I will be testing out on Sunday, so if you want to wait for me to see how it works out, I will let you know probably early Sunday afternoon how I do. This is a pretty simple little deal, $5.99. There's going to be a $2 Walgreens coupon plus a $3 manufacturer, dropping this box of the Silhouette underwear down to 99 cents. This is once per store card, and let's not forget, with the Fetch Rewards app to photograph it, I think Depends is part of their catalog, so you will get back extra Fetch points for this purchase. Okay, so now this Gillette, it's a 4 cartridge fanciness for $19.99. $5 register reward when you buy one of these. Operative is 1. Just pay attention to that. So if you remember a couple weeks back, we had high digital coupons to load. So hopefully you still have this one. It's a $10 off and it's a 4 count or larger. So hey, that should attach. So grabbing one of those for $19.99, subtracting that $10 digital coupon, you're left with paying $9.99 out of pocket, getting back a $5 register reward, making it $4.99. Which isn't the worst thing. And if you wish to use some Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, go for it and you will still get back your $5 register reward. Okay, so now we have a little razor deal. $9.99 to $12.99. Get back a $4 register reward when you buy one of these. There was $7 coupons a couple weeks back if you might have loaded them. We're going to put one in one of these deals. Now, I'll let you know, this one's only attaching to a $12.99 razor. It seems to not be working with the $9.99 one. So let's go with a more expensive razor for $12.99. Subtracting that $7 digital if you might have it, you're left with paying $5.99 out of pocket, getting back a $4 register reward, making it $1.99 for a super fancy razor. And if you wish to use some Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, absolutely go for it. Okay, so now we have some tresemme, $3.99, 4 off for 2, digital, and there's also going to be one in this weekend's inserts, and then $4 of Walgreens cash when you buy 4. Okay, it's quite the little deal there, and these are the 28 ounces, so there's a larger amount of shampoo. This is what the 4 off for 2 looks like, and it's found in your Retail Me Not of January the 3rd. Hey guys, so the next deal is courtesy of GME Coupon, so it is with this Himalaya Herbal Healthcare. It's these caplets. You got to get a 30 counter. Now, I live super rural and they don't even sell this in store, but if you live in a bigger city, I'm sure you can find it. It's $12.99 for one of these, and there is a $5 digital coupon, so please make sure you have that guy loaded, valid till March the 15th. Over on IBOTTA, a $5 rebate on this product. Grabbing one of those for $12.99, make sure you're grabbing 30 count. Subtracting the $5 digital, you're left with paying $7.99 out of pocket, making a $5 submission to IBOTTA. The final price point here is $2.99. And yes, you can use your Walgreens cash to pay this down, so you're not really feeling it out of pocket. And again, special thank you to GME Coupons over on Instagram. Okay, so looking at the math for this one, 4 of the tresemmes, that's $15.96. And then you'll have to present at least 1 4 off of 2 from the Retail Me Not of January the 3rd, and then 1 digital or 2 paper coupons, whatever you want to do. You're left with paying $7.96 out of pocket, and then getting back $4 in Walgreens cash, making it $3.96 for the 4 or 99 cents per shampoo. If you wish to use your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, absolutely go for it. Now this deal, it's not the greatest, but if you absolutely need Dove sensitive, if you have psoriasis or sensitive skin, hey, it's better than paying full price. It's the only way I could justify doing this deal. Okay, guys, so 3 of those Dove body washes, that's $17.97 on the nose. Subtracting that 3 off a 3 digital coupon, that will be showing up on Sunday morning. You're left with paying $14.97 out of pocket, getting back $3 big dollars of Walgreens cash, making it $11.97 for the 3 or $3.99 per body wash. Let's not forget to photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app to get extra points. And if you wish to use your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, that's perfectly fine. Okay, the next deal that we have is for the Pantene, and I really hope these are big bottles because $5.99 for one. Back in the Wayback Machine, those guys were $3.99. So 3 of them is $15. There's a 3 off of 3 digital coupon that will be showing up on Sunday morning. You're left with paying $12 out of pocket, getting back a $4 register reward, making it $8 for the 3 or $2.66 per shampoo. And if you wish to use your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, go for it. I'm really hoping these are the big bottles of Pantene because that is quite expensive. Okay, and now we have a little Garnier shampoo deal. These guys are 2 for $7. And there is a 3 off a 2 manufacturer coupon. I think you can load that digitally on Sunday, plus the $1 off found in the Walgreens Big Book of Savings. So grabbing 2 of these for $7, subtracting that 3 off a 2, either from the Retail Me Not or you can load that guy digitally. Scan the IVC, which is $1 off. So scanning that once, 2 will come off as you're buying 2 items. You're left with paying 2 out of pocket, making each shampoo $1 each. And if you wish to use your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, absolutely go for it. Okay, so now we have a little deal on these dry sprays and deodorants. They're 2 for $10 and $2 register reward when you buy 2 of these. So I would definitely go with the dry sprays. So in the Retail Me Not of January the 3rd, so this Sunday, buy a couple newspapers, guys. It's a really good insert. We have this 4 off a 2 off of the dry sprays. So grabbing 2 of them, that's 10. Subtracting that 4 off a 2 4 off a 2 coupon from the Retail Me Not of January the 3rd. You're left with paying 6 out of pocket, getting back a $2 register reward, making it $4 for the 2 or $2 per deodorant. Let's not forget to photograph our receipt to the Fetch Rewards app. You will get back extra points for this. And if you wish to use your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, that's totally cool. You will still earn that register reward. Okay, so it's honorable mention time. The first HM is with the Coke, Pepsi, 7-Up, 3 for $9.99. That's a really good price point, guys, for a 12-pack. Now, this is kind of an interesting one. $5 register reward when you buy 3. The Johnson & Johnson baby shampoo, is that on clearance? And if you grab 3 of them, will it kick out a $5 register reward? There's a ton of baby products right now on clearance. Some of you moms out there or dads might want to try that deal, because that might be really good. We have the buy 1 get 2 for free. They pulled this for the longest time. It's back. It essentially shakes out these freezer bags or storage bags to 93 cents each. I would definitely stock up because this has been gone for the last probably month and a half, 2 months. So this is a really solid deal. And if you love Purex, this is not a bad little deal. Sometimes these guys are like $5.99 for one, so this isn't bad. So this is $1.99. If you might have register rewards from previous deals, if you wanted to get like a couple, so you're not really paying a lot out of pocket. And also the pods are included. So, I know some of you prefer pods than liquid detergent, but this isn't a bad deal because sometimes Purex is upwards of $5.99 for one. And this is kind of interesting. $5 register reward when you spend $15, and this is specifically on eye cosmetics. Now, I think Elf or Wet n Wild is in there. I'm seeing something there. So if we grab some cheaper stuff, will that work? Will there be digital coupons on Sunday? Well, we'll have to wait and see, but this potentially might have some wings for a deal. And then the last one we're going to talk about is $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend $20. Will some mysterious Nexus coupons show up? I'm hoping so, because I wouldn't mind getting some more of this. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys!